Mellon Award. He also made the A honor roll. He had 130 AR points. The class voted him as most dependable. He had 8,158 first in math stickers. He was a Book It All-Star reader, a Jam and Jet, and he was also a participant in the grade level spelling bee. Congratulations. Good job. So good job, all of you boys and girls. This has been an amazing school year. I'm very proud of all of your hard work all year long. And thanks to those who joined our class too late and still worked really hard. And we have 2 other awards to hand out. I'm going to ask Michaela, can you come forward? Michaela Martinez is our class salutatorian. What I did is I took all their final averages and found out who had the highest average. And so she had the second highest average in the class, and it was like 98 point something. So excellent job.
Hello, my name is Joel, and I'm going to be reading Goodbye School, Hello Summer. Goodbye waking up early, hello sleeping in. Goodbye backpack, hello suitcase. Goodbye books, hello video games. Goodbye cafeteria food, hello fast food. Goodbye working, hello relaxing. Goodbye Glenmore Park, hello water park. Goodbye classroom time, hello family time. Goodbye field trips, hello vacation. Goodbye school, hello summer.
A first year, and over 15 years of teaching, I've never had this happen, where I've had my I always give a top AR reader award, and this year I had a tie, a really close tie, like 1/10 of a point off. So I was like, yeah, that's a tie.
Wait a minute, Miss Good, I have one question.
Yes, sir.
Did you say you're not going to be here next year?
Not in this classroom, no. Dennis Guerrero, he was one of our top AR readers with 108.1 points. And Carter Payne, just shy of that 1/10 of a point with 108 AR points for the team. Congratulations, Carter. Congratulations, Dennis. Our spelling bee participants, we had our first place winner in our classroom, Joel Kung, and our second place winner, Caleb Nunez, and then we also had Israel participating in our spelling bee. So I want to give y'all your participation ribbons. And Joel. Congratulations, spellers. Okay. Honor roll. I feel like, and there's a second grade teacher here, she might agree with me. I feel like moving from second grade to third grade is a big jump, and we don't have near as many A, B, and A honor roll students in third grade as we have in second grade. Students transition from learning to read to reading to learn once they come to third grade, and these students are outstanding. And I know that we talk about STAR a lot, too much, but boys and girls, like I've told you before, it is simply a number. It is 1, 2 days reading and math in your whole entire life. You're not going to be in a job interview and they're going to ask, what did you make on third grade STAR? It's not that big of a deal. What you do every day, that's what is a big deal. What's inside your character, that's a big deal. And so many of you may be wondering, we will get STAR scores mailed out at the end of June, but boys and girls, that number does not define you. Y'all are all excellent students. Okay, and saying that, I'm going to award Andrew Espinosa for being on the AB Honor Roll all school year long. And Ava Gordon, AB Honor Roll. Carter Payne, AD Honor Roll all year long. Congratulations. Jackie Rincon, AD Honor Roll all year long. And Trenton Walkner, AD Honor Roll all year long. Congratulations. And we had 2 students that were on the A Honor Roll all year long. Mia Fierstead. Congratulations, Mia. And Joel Kang. Congratulations. Miss Slayton and I like to give a most improved reader from the beginning of the year and a most improved math student from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. And we didn't even talk about it. We just knew we were going to make that award. And ironically, it's the same 2 students that have improved in reading and in math from the beginning to the end of the year. So our most improved readers in this class are Caleb Nunez, congratulations, and Essie Cox. And for math, Caleb Nunez.